Oh, is that a washing machine? What should I do for a prank? I know. I will stuck in the machine. Help me. I'm stuck in a washing machine. What? I'm stuck in a washing machine, but boys only. Roger the anomaly. Are you being freaky? What? No. That's it. I'm going to telling 10 to solve this problem. Exclamation mark 1. The prank idea failed.
Who's stuck in the washing machine?
I'm stuck in a washing machine, but boys only.
Excuse me? Why you only need boys?
Because I need boys, not girls.
Then what do you need?
I don't care. Get out.
What?
Get out or else I will put you in the washing machine. Are you drinking the coffee?
Yes, so?
Now I need the boy right freaking now.
No. What do you mean you need boy? Or? All right then.
Dan, I said stop drinking coffee. It's not good at all.
Okay fine, geez. What was that screaming sound? Oh my gosh. Why Terry's pile of blood here?
What are you doing? Oh my gosh.
Ooh, sugar. What was that screaming sound? What are you two doing here? Wah, a dead body inside the washing machine. Wah, oh my gosh, who killed the person in the washing machine?
What? Are we forgot that's Roger the anomaly? First he tried to kill me, by being freaky in the washing machine, and I need 10 to kill Roger the anomaly. No more heat. If I meet Roger the anomaly a time, I'll kill it.